Today we're checking out the MMD deck lid panel in gloss black for the 2024 and newer Mustangs. If you're looking to black out the rear deck area for a slick, stealthy look that elevates your Mustang's appearance, this panel offers a stylish and high quality solution. This deck lid overlay is going to transform your Mustang's rear end with an eye-catching blacked out style, removing the traditional body colored panel for a bold custom edge. This deep gloss black finish is going to break up the monotony of the paint and pairs beautifully with darker or accented trim builds, adding road presence without going too overboard. This is crafted from durable acrylic and is precision molded using original factory data, and it maintains a clean fit that lines up with the factory gaps and body contours for a seamless OEM style result. It's also going to retain that backup camera functionality if that's what your car has, so you don't lose convenience when you're cleaning up the style of your rear end. The installation is really straightforward, using the pre-applied 3M adhesive that's on the back here. All you do is make sure you clean that surface really well for the best adhesion and apply it with that pre-applied 3M double-sided automotive tape. It's a quick no drill upgrade that delivers a big visual impact with minimal effort. When it comes to the construction, this panel is injection molded from high strength acrylic plastic, which is a lightweight and impact resistant material chosen for durability against daily wear and that environmental exposure. Its gloss black finish withstands UV and road debris better than the less resilient paneling, helping your Mustang's rear look sharper for longer. This gloss black finish is going to withstand UV exposure and some slight road debris better than any alternatives, helping your Mustang's rear end look sharper for a longer period of time. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in that mid $100 price range. And at that price point, you're getting a powerful visual upgrade with a custom appearance without breaking the bank. This is going to be a very simple install process, so it's rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in just 30 minutes of your time. Now, let's see exactly how this install goes with a video from one of our American Muscle customers.
So as for the tools you need to do this install, all you'll need is a plastic pry bar just to get your emblem off, and to clean the surface all you're gonna need is either Goo Gone, I use glass cleaner, and a rag just to get rid of the tape off the emblem, and you will not need anything more than this. So the first step to this install, you're gonna go ahead and grab your plastic pry tool. You can't use metal because you don't want to scratch your paint, and all you're simply going to do is pry right under it and remove all the sticky tape. Just make sure, if you want to save this badge, not to break it, and simply just go all the way around just to remove the sticky tape. Also, at the same time, be careful with your paint, because even though it is plastic, you can still scratch it up. Pry on it, and as you see, it does bring a lot of tape, but it does have these 2 little holes. So this is how you remove your badge, and it's the same thing for all models. You simply pry along the edges to take off the sticky tape, and then all you're going to want to do is grab some sort of cleaner just to wipe it all off and get that glue off. So basically, now to clean it, I don't have much of a cleaner. All I have is this window glass and a rag. All I'm going to simply do is spray right over it, and with my finger I'll just grab the rag, start cleaning it off just like this. It will take you a while, but you do have to take all this glue off. And once you dry out, just simply reapply and keep scrubbing until everything is completely off. So after quite a few minutes of scrubbing, this is the final result. It It is not perfect, but it's flat enough for the new deck lid to go on. And yeah, now let's go ahead and get started on installing this deck lid. So these are the two gloss black pieces that you will be using. This is for the top part where your camera goes, and this is the bottom where your horse used to go. And what you're going to want to do first is you're going to first install the bottom piece and then install the top piece. Let's get right into it. So this is the bottom piece, and it already does come pre-taped. All you're simply going to want to do is go to the corners and take every single piece of tape off, just like so, and repeat this same step on every single piece of tape. And just simply line it up. Just like that, you have installed it, and just simply press down to make sure the 3M tape is all stuck. And now we move on to the top. So now for this top piece, it'll be the same thing. Simply go ahead, take off all this red stuff off of it. And once you have gone ahead and taken all the red off the 3M tape, simply go ahead and put it on, but make sure that the smaller side over the camera hole is on top and the longer side is at the bottom. And once again, you just simply come right here, line it up with your camera, and just press on it. And for the final touch, this plastic that is on the panels, you're just simply going to want to peel back, and it'll reveal that gloss black color. And just like that, you have gone ahead and installed the gloss black deck lid, and this is how it should look.
All right, that's gonna wrap up a review and install of the MMD deck lid panel in gloss black for the 2024 and newer Mustangs. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at American Muscle.